10 reasons why the simpler the better. When you get rid of the chaos in business, life will become clearer and easier to understand and manage. There is more happiness in simple things, in a smile, in enjoying nature, in communication with family and friends. This is something that we take for granted, but which should be truly appreciated. By reducing chaos, you clear areas that you no longer need to worry about. The less clutter in your life, the calmer you feel and the better you sleep. A simpler life frees up space for activities that energize you. Getting rid of excess gives time to be alone with yourself. Regular self-talk reminds you of your priorities and helps you keep things simple. Simplicity strikes a balance between work and personal life. Plus, your relationships become more relaxed and open. Fuss no longer confuses you among a million priorities, and you become more confident in yourself. Confidence entails a positive outlook on things, which, in turn, contributes to more effective development. A simple approach to life allows you to treat failure philosophically, which means you stay committed to your goals no matter what. The quality of life improves when you do not spray your attention on everything. Organizing your affairs gives you the resources to live the moments of your life and relieves you of worrying about not being able to do something. What you've been struggling with will be easier than you thought. The true reasons for everything that worried you will be revealed to you, and many problems will be resolved by themselves. Subscribe to our channel, we are trying for you.